If you want to spruce up your kitchen but aren't interested in a complete overhaul, consider focusing on your backsplash. If you're not sure where to start, we've got you covered. In this video, we cover some of the biggest kitchen backsplash trends for 2019. Subway tiles. Putting subway tiles on the kitchen backsplash trends list is almost cheating. Why? Because subway tiles will never go out of style. Ever since these simple, rectangular tiles hit New York's subterranean transportation world more than 100 years ago, Americans have been hooked. You'll find subway tiles in bathrooms and kitchens across the country. They're in new construction and turn-of-the-century cottages. When you think of subway tile, you likely think of white, but there are actually more options than you imagine. Go big. If you like the idea and the look of subway tile, but still aren't sure, how about kicking it up a notch? The common size of a subway tile is 3 by 6 inches, but you can find large subway tile in 4 by 8 and 4 by 12. This trend started getting popular midway through 2018, and it should continue to grow in the next couple of years. Not all manufacturers produce these larger sizes, but that's expected to change. If you have a smaller kitchen, consider using the larger subway tiles. It will actually make your space seem bigger. To the ceiling. The standard kitchen backsplash measures 4 inches from the countertop. In recent years, there's been a trend to take it up to 18 inches. This is because of the increased popularity in mosaic backsplash tile. These come in larger sections, usually with a height of anywhere from 8 to 12 inches. If you've outgrown your taste in mosaic tile and you want to jump on board another trend, take your backsplash all the way to the ceiling. If you have the typical 4-inch countertop material as your backsplash, this will definitely change the entire aesthetic of your kitchen. It also gives you several options since you have a bigger workspace. Metals and mirrors. Using mirrored tiles is one of the striking effects you can get by taking your tile all the way to the ceiling. But mirrored tile works in other backsplash designs as well. If you have under cabinet lighting, position them to illuminate your backsplash. This will give your kitchen a dramatic look. If mirrored tile is a little too much for you, metallic tile will tone the same effect down a bit. This is a trend in kitchens wanting an industrial feel. Because of the different textures and tones you get with the ceramic tile, you can also mix and match your tile. Try going for an understated look with gray tile, then accent your backsplash with a metallic finish. Get creative. Boring backsplashes are definitely old news. Some of the biggest kitchen backsplash trends are bold and make a statement. There may not be a bigger statement right now than the use of patterns. The 3 most popular right now are herringbone, sunburst, and chevron. Now, these patterns aren't for everyone. If you think it's something you'd consider, you may want to look into a tile design program. These are available at most home improvement stores or online. Kitchen backsplash trends are always changing. After all, that's what makes them trends. But just because it's popular now doesn't mean you won't still love it in a year or more. So don't be afraid to make your move and pick out your new backsplash design for your kitchen. If you'd like to update your backsplash or would like some more ideas, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.